Hey guys, I'm here with my daughter and we're about to get ready to do a 10-minute workout. We're gonna see who's gonna last longer, me or her. Who y'all think? We'll see. So anyways, I'm gonna start it and I'm gonna have some music over it because I am watching someone on YouTube do her thing and we're kind of gonna follow her lead. But yeah, wish us luck. So I do have band on my tummy, and you will see my little son in the background walking in and out doing his thing. But anyways, we're about to get started. Hopefully it don't cut off on me, but we're about to get ready to start. You ready? We think you need to stretch? Oh, you stretching, doing cheerleading jumps and stuff? Stretch, baby. So I do have extra security. So y'all gonna be seeing the bra strap out. I need extra security. And my old bras, I need some more sports bras. Baby, you gonna give me some more sports bras for Christmas?
Yep.
Stretch. Make you on my nerves. All right, let's start.
So you're bringing the elbows, meet the knee in the center.
Lisa, it's opposite leg. I'm gonna wait the opposite leg.
Alright, look at me.
Let me turn her down. Maybe if I turn her off so we can talk.
Look. Legs open like
and you're gonna kick. Don't kick me and I'm not gonna kick you. So she do the same leg. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be hard.
No.
Come in the camera, wait till they can't see you. Come back. Right here. Don't kick me. That's all I had, baby. For the wings. Oh my gosh. How many seconds?
Yeah, 15 seconds. I ain't gonna do it. I'm not gonna be sore.
I am. My hip flex is already.
Excuse me, couch.
Don't be point me out.
You over there cheating.
I ain't cheating.
Yeah, you got.
Whew.
Alright, you better hurry up.
We gotta do the other side, Wita. So do the other leg. Oh no. You ready, Wita?
Oh, we know we don't know how to punch.
Just 4. Wita, hit like you hitting somebody. How you hit somebody? You hit like that? Oh man. You like this one, Enzo? Huh?
Everybody's time to get tired.
You getting tired? Alright, what's next? Lunge with the cue, we gotta do the other leg. You ready? Remember, we lunge and then we kick. Lunge.
Kick.
You feel it, Lita?
It's like, what are you doing? Boy, you got a damn house shoe.
Oh my gosh. What you looking at? That's a bug? Oh man, she on the floor. They can't see you, Lisa. You might have to back here, put the camera down. Good job, Lisa.
How do I tighten it?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm probably not putting this in there. Wait. Oh my gosh, she's going fast. Which one? So fast. Now come. No, Lisa, no, Lisa, no. Oh, they're done. Wait, pick it up.
Okay.
Oh, what's this one? Step jack. She said jumping. Girl, you just throwing yourself around. You gotta actually exercise. Feel it, the burn. Oh my gosh, my daughter. That's it. What she gotta do now? She said, oh Lord. She said, get back on the ground, Lita. Oh my God.
Yeah. I ain't gonna be able to do that.
You ready? Hey, don't underestimate. This video all jacked up. But this is reality. Move, Lita. If you don't turn your butt down. I ain't got the strength no more. Woo! You didn't took all my energy and my strength, boy. Oh, ain't no spring chicken. We're gonna have to cut the break early. Let's move it up some. What she got us on now? What's next? Hit that 4 and then you're gonna switch. Okay. Let's move the camera up so we can see ourselves. Hold on. Squats. She loves squatting. Well, that's why she got big legs. You shuffle. Ready to go. Oh, she said stand up, get a break. Nick needs to be in here doing this. Oh my gosh, she's on the ground. Planks. We gotta do plank holds. Low plank holds. I only know one plank. Oh, pull slow on your elbows. Oh, she got movement. She said,
Oh yeah.
oh no.
I can do that.
Damn. I got too much junk back there.
I'm good at that one.
Lay down.
Which one? Up and down? Or side to side?
Up.
We done? Oh, she said up. Hands on your knees. We did it, Lisa.
Yay.
Yeah, high five, mama. High five. Yeah. Give me a high five.
Good job, mommy.
Alright.
Good job.
High five. Yay.
Yay.
Yay. One more thing. I'm gonna go do my what you call it? Wrap around your waist thing. That beat that Matt gave us. Yeah, I wanna do that. That's my last little part. I wanna see how long I can last. And then I'm done. Hold on, Papa. Alright, so we done. I tried and I didn't even make it, past the first minute. My daughter plays too much though. But anyways, so that's pretty much the end of that. But I am gonna end it with me doing the hula hoop. Hula hoop, it's a hula hoop. Yeah, it's like hula hoop. The ball on the end of the string goes round and round. It's supposed to help you. So I'm about to go put that on my waist. My husband wants to watch this YouTube, so I'm gonna have some music on this. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye bye.